Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here. And welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you the gentleman's box. This box is just under $30 a month. This is for my husband. We both like this subscription. We will get it as long as we are able to get it. It is a tri-fold opening. Ba-doop, ba-doop. And this is March's box. Let's see. And this is honoring our favorite chart-topping artists, and the prices are in here. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this beautiful purple tie. I think that's a really beautiful color. I love that color. And this retails for $30. The next thing I'm pulling out are these, can you see the color on that? The purple and green polka dots. Are those polka dots? Yes, purple and green polka dots. And these socks retail for $15. There is a wallet clip in here, and this retails for $25. Let's see, it is a vegan leather. That's nice. I'm going to leave that as it is. But it has a couple of places for credit cards in there, and then a clip for the cash or whatnot. The next thing I'm pulling out is cool. It is a vegan leather keychain. That's something new. We've never gotten anything like this in this box before, so that's cool. And the last thing I'm pulling out is this bracelet. It's kind of hefty. It says it's worth $20. I don't know about all that, but I mean, it is a pretty hefty bracelet, so I'm assuming that those are real beads and stones, not fake. They are heavy, but there's that. I don't know if it's necessarily worth $20, but I mean, it's nice. It's nice. I don't know if I'll wear it, but all right, that's it. Okay, you guys, that was the gentleman's box. Super short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.